These are the other type of pipettes. So these are volumetric pipettes. And actually this is a graduated pipette. So see how there's little gradations on there? And then this one is volumetric, so it just has a bubble and then a line. And the line tells you to the point at which you're supposed to fill it. It's just like a volumetric flask. You want to make it so the meniscus is right there at that line. Same thing for the graduated one. Now, these all say on here 2TD. TD stands for to dispense, as opposed to a TC, which means to contain. To contain are typically your graduated cylinders, your volumetric flasks, those kind of things. These things are supposed to dispense, TD. This volume, plus or minus, if you look really small on there, it'll tell you plus or minus what. So this one says plus or minus 0.02, which means if you pull up 10 milliliters, that's 10 milliliters plus or minus 0.02 milliliters. So when you're doing these, there's two different types of bulbs. I prefer this one, but a lot of students prefer this one. With this one, all you do, squeeze it, put it on, put it in your substance, pull it up to the line. And when you get to the line, you can get a little bit over the line and then just use your finger to get it right to the line, and then you put it into your container you're trying to get it into. Okay, so that's with this type of bulb. Alternatively, you can use this type of bulb. So this type of bulb has numbers on it, a 1, a 2, and a 3. So with the 1, I normally push in and then squeeze it. So now your ball is deflated. And then your 2, so it goes in order, 1, then 2, then 3. Your 2 is going to be for sucking up the fluid. So you put it in, suck up the fluid to the line, and then to push the liquid out, you press your 3. And that's how you use this one. So it's really just what do you prefer, which of the two you like. But do note that these are going to be used preferentially over your research pipettes if you're going to be using more than a 1 milliliter volume. If you're using less than 1 milliliter volume, these are going to be your preferred unit of liquid transfer.